Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. DM Sirsat here from Department of Chemistry, Anandibai Ravrani Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhavadi. Friends, today we are deal with the very interesting point is a ketoenol tautomerism. In this lecture, we are going to study what is mean by ketoenol tautomerism, then acid catalyzed ketoenol tautomerism as well as base catalyzed ketoenol tautomerism. Let's see one by one. Number first, what is mean by ketoenol tautomerism? See, the keto and enol isomers are special type of constitutional isomers. Then what is mean by isomers? Isomers means the two molecules having same molecular formula but they are differ in their structural arrangement is called as isomers. In this keto and enol, the keto as well as enol having same molecular formula but these two are different in their structural arrangement, and this type of isomerism is called as constitutional isomerism. And this keto and enol isomers are interconvertible to each other. Interconvertible keto and enol forms are called as tautomers and their interconversion is called as tautomerization. Means simply the interconversion means the special type of isomerism between this keto form and enol form is called as tautomerization, and it is observed in carbonyl compounds with a hydrogen atom on its alpha hydrogen atom, means alpha carbon atom. There is a basic condition. Number first, carbonyl compounds having at least one hydrogen on their alpha position. See, the example is a keto form and these are the enol form. This keto and enol, they are having same molecular formula but these two are differ in their structural arrangement. See, in case of this keto form, there is a functional group C double bond O, means keto, but in case of enol, there is a bifunctional carbon, means double bond as well as hydroxy group, means same. What is mean by enol? Means carbon with double bond as well as hydroxy group is called as enol molecule, means same carbon. See, en means double bond, suffix for double bond is en plus suffix for this hydroxy group is OL. En plus OL means finally OL, means same carbon with double bond as well as hydroxy group is called as enol form. And this keto and enol, these two are differ in their structural arrangement but these two are interconvertible to each other, and this interconversion is called as tautomerization. Okay, see the basic mechanism of this interconversion. The basic condition, this carbonyl compound having alpha hydrogen atom, means this alpha hydrogen is acidic hydrogen. Sigma electron pair is a participate in pi bond formation, then shifting of pi electron towards the oxygen, then oxygen it gains negative charge abstract H plus ion, O minus is converted into OH, means there is a double bond formation as well as hydroxy group, means keto is converted into enol form. The enol, same sigma electron pair participate in delocalization, means double bond formation, then this pi electron abstract H plus ion, see here pi electron abstract H plus ion, then again enol is converted into its keto form, means this keto and enol, these two are interconvertible isomers and this special type of isomer is called as tautomerization. Okay. Next one, for simple monocarbonyl compounds, the amount of enol form present at equilibrium is a very small amount, means see the number first example. In case of monocarbonyl compound, means monocarbonyl means the carbonyl compound having only one carbonyl group. See the number first example, acetaldehyde molecule. In case of acetaldehyde molecule, the keto form is 100% but its enol form is extremely small. In case of acetone molecule is also monocarbonyl compound, the keto form is a 99% and its enol form is greater than 99% and its enol form is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 4%, means again it is extremely in small amount. Okay. Then number third example, cyclohexanone is a cyclic ketone molecule. In case of this cyclohexanone, in case of this monocarbonyl compound, the keto form is a 98.8% and its enol form is only 1.2%, means for monocarbonyl compounds, means compounds having only one carbonyl group, the amount of enol form form present at equilibrium is a very small amount as compared to its keto form. But in case of, see, in case of beta diketones, the amount of enol present at equilibrium is much higher. See the number first example is a diketone molecules. Mean in this molecule there is a two ketone groups, pentane 2,4 dione molecule. The keto form is a 24% and its enol form is a 76%. Means the enol form of this diketone molecule is a too much greater than its keto isomer. Then what is the exact reason behind this? Why this enol form of this diketone molecule is more stable than its keto form? There is a basically two reasons. This enol form is a stabilized by resonance, means here is a strong resonance between in these enol structures, and number second reason is a hydrogen bonding. See one by one is a resonance. When this diketone molecule is converted into its enol form, then this enol is a stabilized by resonance. See this enol structure, electron pair of this oxygen participate in delocalization, then shifting of pi electron to next position, then pi electron shifted towards oxygen, means O minus is converted into OH, then again electron pair is participate in delocalization, it gives first structure, means first gives second structure and second gives first structure, means there is a strong resonance between these two structure, and due to this strong resonance the enol form of diketone molecule is more stable than its keto form. Okay. Then number second reason is a hydrogen bonding. See in enol formation, this hydrogen bonding means simple the force of attraction between these two partial opposite charges. See in case of this hydrogen and oxygen bond, oxygen more electronegative, it gains partial negative charge, and hydrogen it gains partial positive charge. Okay. Then second oxygen also partial negative charge, then force of attraction between these two opposite charges, it gives one partial bond, and this partial bond is called as hydrogen bond. During this hydrogen bond formation is a formation of partially 6-membered structure, and this 6-membered structure is more stable, and due to this hydrogen bonding and resonance stabilization, the enol form of diketone molecule is more stable than its keto form. Okay. The next one is acid and base catalyzed enolization reaction. When solution of optically active ketone in aqueous ethanol is treated with either acid or base, then the solution becomes optically inactive. Okay. Before starting this concept, what is mean by optically activity? Optical activity, what is mean by chirality? Okay. See optical activity means simple PPL. PPL is a plane of plane polarized light, is rotate either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, is called as optical activity. See the number first, and the conditions for optical activity. Number first condition, there must be one chiral carbon. What is mean by chiral carbon? Chiral carbon means the carbon which is directly bonded with 4 different group is called as chiral carbon, and this chiral carbon, asymmetric carbon, it shows optical activity. See the number first example, this carbon is a directly bonded with the hydrogen methyl group, ethyl group, and is one bulky group CO C6H5, means this carbon is optically active carbon, means whole molecule is optical active molecule. When this molecule is treated with either acid or base in aqueous ethanol solution, then it becomes optically inactive, means there is a formation of racemic mixtures of ketone, and we know that racemic mixture is optically inactive. See the mechanism of formation of racemic mixture of these two ketones. See the optically active molecules, there is a 4 different substituent, ethyl group C2H5, methyl group, hydrogen, as well as the C double bond O C6H5 group. Means this carbon is substituted by 4 different group, it is optically active molecule, is treated with either acid or base, is converted into its enol form. Is converted into its enol form. The enol on tautomerization, it gives finally is a 50% R isomer and is a 50% S isomer, and is a, what is mean by racemic mixture is a equivalent mixture of these two isomers, R isomer as well as S isomer, is called as racemic mixture, and racemic mixture is optically inactive. The next one, is a mechanism of base catalyzed enolization reaction. See, the simple is optically active molecule. This carbon, this hydrogen is acidic hydrogen in a presence of base molecule. Base, the role of base, abstraction of proton, the negative charge abstract proton H plus, then shifting of the sigma electron pair in a pi bond formation. At the same time, these pi electrons are shifted towards the oxygen, means oxygen it gains negative charge, it gives finally enolate anion. This enolate anion means O minus abstract proton H plus, it gives finally enol form, and this enol form is achiral. This enol form is a achiral. See the number second, mechanism with acid catalyzed enolization, mechanism of acid catalyzed enolization. In case of base catalyzed enolization, number first step is a base molecule abstract proton from alpha carbon, then shifting of pi electron towards the next position, means in between this carbonyl carbon and alpha carbon, and it gives finally enol form. But in case of acid catalyzed mechanism, this keto form, see the keto form of this optical active molecule. Number first step is the electron pair of this oxygen reacts with this acid molecule, means abstract H plus, the protonation of oxygen is a takes place. Then the sigma electron pair is a participate in pi bond formation. Electron pair is a shifted towards the oxygen, means neutralization of positive charge is a takes place. It is a nucleophilic molecule, OH2 molecule, water molecule, abstract H plus ion, again it gives enol form. These are the mechanism of acid catalyzed enolization and is a mechanism of base catalyzed enolization reaction. These are the details about keto enol tautomerism. Thank you very much.